Welcome you all. Today we are going to show you a Sri Lankan traditional food. We call it Aluwa in Sinhala. This Aluwa is made during in our Sinhala and Hindu Aluttawrudu period. Aluwa is made up of roasted rice flour, and also you can use potato for this. And this rice flour is mixed with honey. So for this honey we use coconut honey, kitul honey, and also kitul triacle, and also bee honey we can be use that. And also we to improve the taste we add cashews and also peanut and also cardamom. So this Aluwa is one of the very tasty food and sweet food we used in Sri Lanka, and they come with different shapes but the most commonest one is diamond shape and square shape. So hope you will like this video. Enjoy this one. See you.